Hello, my friends. It's your pal, Teddy, and today we're going to have a blast drawing a super cute zombie. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's begin by drawing his funny nose. Make it a little wiggly. Step 2. Next, we'll draw his big, round eyes. They should look like two circles. Step 3. Now, let's draw his mouth. But here's the fun part. Add a tongue sticking out and some goofy teeth. Step 4. Time to draw his jaw and head. Imagine his brain peeking out. It's like a squiggly, wiggly surprise. Step 5. Moving on, let's draw his ears and give him some wild hair all around his head. Step 6. For his tattered clothes, draw his torn-up shirt with lots of rips and tears. Don't forget his arms. Step 7. Now, draw his tattered pants with even more tears and his feet down below. Step 8. To finish up, add some cool textures to make him look all grungy. And that's it. You did it. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your artwork, and subscribe because I'll be back with more fun drawing adventures. Until then, keep on drawing and stay creative.